What is going on, guys? Key here, and I want to welcome you to this episode of Kees Cars. Today we are talking about the Subaru BRZ. Could Subaru be doing an STI variant? Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So the rumor mill has been abuzz with STI bits that might be offered on the 2022 BRZ, but does that mean that Subaru is going to offer an STI version of the car? Well, I don't know. I can't answer that. I don't work for Subaru, but what I can say is that if they did, that would be something awesome. And the first thing that came to my mind was, could a 2022 BRZ STI be the spiritual successor to the 1990s 22B? And with the 2022 version of the BRZ coming in with an even larger engine, a 2.4 liter direct injected boxer engine that's going to be making around 228 horsepower, it only makes sense that people will speculate that they might be teasing some kind of performance version of this at some point. But what I want to do is take a look at what an STI version of the BRZ could look like. Get ready, because we're going to key the 2022 Subaru BRZ. So the BRZ 86 platform has been a hit in the tuner community for a long time now, and rightfully so. To turn this into an STI variant, I mean, the first thing we have to talk about is all-wheel drive. I don't know that they would ever make this platform all-wheel drive. I don't think the platform is even built for all-wheel drive. But we can also add a lot of other STI bits. So hood scoop, I want to change the hood. I want to refresh the front bumper just a little bit. Those teardrop shapes, they still bother me just a little bit. So I want to touch on those. We're going to add, obviously, some side skirts, a rear wing. I want to add some carbon fiber bits on there. And then we're going to change out the wheels, and we're going to see where this takes us.
Let's go back.
So after all of that, this is what I think a 2022 BRZ STI could look like. And I want to discuss this in the comments, guys. You have to let me know. There's a couple of details that may or may not be necessary. So what do you think of the hood scoop? We could go with or without a hood scoop. What do you think of the yellow lights? And I added these a little bit after the fact, but they remind me of the front end of the 22B, and I wanted to kind of bring that in, but update it a little bit. So what do you guys think? With or without a scoop? With or without the yellow lights in the front bumper? Just let me know what you think of this. But man, if Subaru were to come out with an STI version of the BRZ, I think it would be a hit if they could price it right. I think people would buy it, but I think as it is, people are going to buy it anyway. The BRZ is a car that's been on my radar for a long time, and who knows, if this channel keeps going well, maybe we'll be able to get a car for the channel. The BRZ is on my list, the new Z. I mean, the possibilities are endless, but all that aside, what do you think of the possibility of a BRZ STI, and what do you think of this render? I really like what's going on here. Other than that, guys, man, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like the content, please smash the like button, leave me a comment, and if you really liked it, I'd love to have you as a subscriber so that you can know when new videos are coming out, so we can build this community together, and we can let our imaginations run wild on these renders. So once again, thank you for joining me today. You guys take care, and we'll see you in the next video.